All right, so हम लोग है live. We are live and we will learn about research using tools, not using Google. So what's the problem with Google is like, say you want to do some research around malaria deaths in 2020. Okay, so you will have lots of reports here, but you're not sure whom to read and if you need some particular data. So now what you can do instead, you can go to perplexity.ai and ask it, right? So what do you want to ask? You want to ask it in such a way that it understand what you need to learn, right? So I am analyzing malaria deaths from 2010 to 2024. I want it with the data of countries and information. So it's the things what you're seeking for, right? Information around improvements, right? So you want tables, right? I want it in form of easy to understand table. Okay, you can go as deeper as you want. So it's working for you. Meanwhile, let's see what it gives. So it's doing some searches, and meanwhile let's go to another tool called Notebook LM. So it's by Google and comes with lots of features. So one of the features is you need to say analyze books and long articles. So you can upload those kind of data. You can upload Google Docs, you can upload links to website, you can upload even links to videos, YouTube videos, or upload a PDF book in the form of book, right? So that's what you can do, and then ask it questions. So let's see an example. Let's say it's a book. So it will give you some options to ask as well. Also it comes with a studio feature that you don't want to use right now, but you'd be using it to research long form content when you have less time but you want to read and analyze the data. So that's what you are going to do. You're going to use things like Notebook LM, and another is, let's see what information it gave us. So these are the information, very hard to remember, like analyze, right? So what I can do is I can feed it to Notebook LM and ask it the particular questions that I need to ask. So it's a long list of data. So these are the learnings here. So I can export this CSV, right, and also use it. Let's see. So the thing about Notebook LM here, I am switching between two tools, Notebook LM and Perplexity. So Perplexity gave you the proper results. So you want more mainstream, like curated data from it, you can feed it to Notebook LM. Let's see if it understand CSV. If not, then you can paste it in some Google Doc or even probably some other formats. Let's try not to do that right now. That's just for the sake of uses now. So do it by your own and ask it the questions, right? What familiar relationship and conflict are the narratives. So it will give you options to ask. But the thing about Notebook LM is it will not give you information from outside the sources that you have added. So you can add websites link as well, so it will help you to research. So these are the two things that you need to learn, and that's it from me. I'll stop the stream.